really does. Good time flies faster. And इतनी बड़ी भीड़ में भी अब तो बहुत सारे चेहरे याद हो गए हैं जिन्हें हम 3 दिन से लगातार देख रहे हैं. मैं चाहूँगा हमारे गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर्स इस मंच पे आए. और मुझे यकीन है यहाँ पे बहुत सारे एस्पायरिंग राइटर्स भी बैठे होंगे. Anybody who's willing to write a book, wants to write a book? Aspiring writers, yes. I see a few hands there. I am myself one. And I can understand कि जब भी आपकी किताब छपने वाली होगी और उस किताब का विमोचन किसी ऐसे फेस्टिवल में हो रहा होगा तो एक सुनहरा सपना प्रतीत होता है. तो वो जो सपना है आज कुछ लेखकों के लिए वो सपना सच होने वाला है. We are going to move forward with the book launches, some selected books that all of us need to read. तो हम आगे बढ़ेंगे book launch की तरफ.
We have not 1, 2, not 3, 5 book launches lined up, Siddharth. And I am sure the audience can shower some appreciation on the book launches coming your way. Can we show some love to the book launches and the authors who will soon grace the stage?
Absolutely, yes. बहुत ही बड़ी ऑडियंस है हमारे पास, बहुत ही बेहतरीन भोपाल के लोग. और भोपाल के लोगों से मुझे याद आता है हमारी पहली बुक का जिक्र. The first book is titled as A History of the Bhopal State, Glimpses of Changing Times, and this book is presented to you by Dr. Rajiv Oberoi and Mr. Madan Mohan Upadhyay, Intact Bhopal. मैं चाहूँगा राजीव जी और मदन जी कृपया इस मंच पे आएं और हिस्ट्री ऑफ भोपाल स्टेट बुक का हम विमोचन अदा करें इस मंच पे. राजीव जी हमारे बीच हैं एंड मदन जी हमारे बीच हैं. बिल्कुल है. स्वागत खाली बिली नहीं करते, तालियों के साथ करते हैं. जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए प्लीज.
Can we have the books, please? Can we have the books?
चेक. सर मैं चाहूंगा आप इस मंच पे आए. चेक.
The launch of A History of the Bhopal State, Glimpses of Changing Times by Dr. Rajiv Oberoi and Mr. Madan Mohan Upadhyay.
There it is. Check one. Check one. Yes. Represents the unpublished facets of the history of Bhopal. Mic की frequency बढ़ाइए please. Check. और साथ ही साथ मैं इन दोनों माइक्स की फ्रीक्वेंसी बढ़ा दीजिए प्लीज. साथ ही साथ मैं निवेदन करूंगा राजीव जी से या मदन मोहन जी से कि वो इस मंच पे आएं और अपनी बुक के बारे में हमें थोड़ी जानकारी दें.
डिस्टिंग्विश्ड गेस्ट, भोपाल के इतिहास पर आपके पास बहुत सारी किताबें हैं. हमने इस किताब में कुछ अनछुए इतिहास के वो पहलू जो इतिहास के पन्नों में दर्ज हैं परंतु लोगों के वो सामने नहीं आए, उनको हमने सिलसिलेवार पहले दोस्त मोहम्मद और उससे पहले रानी कमलापति के टाइम से लेकर और लास्ट नवाब तक के पीरियड का, इसमें एक हमने नया पहलू जो छुआ है वो पहलू है कि ब्रिटिश इन्फ्लुएंस से कितना प्रभावित था भोपाल स्टेट. क्योंकि इतिहास के दो दौर में, पहले तो थर्ड बैटल ऑफ पानीपत और दूसरा जो भोपाल बैटल, उन दोनों से virtually Bhopal state was reduced to a मीन्स ऑल द पावर्स वेंट टू द ब्रिटिशर्स, और किस तरीके के उनका एक कठोर शिकंजा था स्टेट पर, उसके भी हमने पहलुओं को कवर किया है। यहाँ के हर पीरियड के जो मॉन्यूमेंट्स हैं उनको तो लिया ही है। एक अलग कलेवर में मंजुल ने इसको प्रकाशित किया है। विकास रखेजा जी यहीं कहीं छुपे बैठे हैं, तो मैं उनको बधाई देना चाहूँगा। बहुत अच्छा उन्होंने, कहाँ है, वहाँ है ये ऐसा। तो वो विकास रखेजा जी का बहुत बहुत बधाई, एंड आई एम श्योर यू विल लव दिस बुक। इट्स ए न्यू बुक ऑन भोपाल। थैंक यू।
थैंक यू सो मच सर।
हमारी दूसरी किताब है जिसका आज लॉन्च यहाँ हो रहा है, ओवर थिंकिंग से आज़ादी, जो डॉक्टर सत्यकांत त्रिवेदी जी ने लिखी है। और मैं अनुरोध करूँगी डॉक्टर त्रिवेदी से कि वो यहाँ मंच पर आएं।
ये आज़ादी तो हम सभी को चाहिए।
डॉक्टर सत्यकांत त्रिवेदी एक प्रख्यात मनोचिकित्सक और मानसिक स्वास्थ्य विशेषज्ञ हैं, और उन्होंने इस पुस्तक में हमें ओवर थिंकिंग से डील करने के काफ़ी टिप्स और स्ट्रैटेजीज हमारे साथ शेयर की हैं।
ऑल्सो डॉक्टर त्रिवेदी सुसाइड प्रिवेंशन टास्क फोर्स के सदस्य भी रहे हैं और मध्य प्रदेश सुसाइड प्रिवेंशन पॉलिसी के प्रस्तावक भी रहे हैं आप।
डॉक्टर त्रिवेदी के मदर, उनकी माताजी श्रीमती प्रभा त्रिवेदी भी हमारे साथ हैं, और मैं चाहूंगी कि वो भी मंच पर आएं। Proud moment for a mother. Overthinking से आज़ादी।
ग्रेट, थैंक यू सो मच
थैंक यू
त्रिवेदी जी एंड उनकी माता जी को तहे दिल से धन्यवाद। मैं चाहूँगा त्रिवेदी जी यहाँ पे आके 2 शब्द बोलें अपनी किताब के बारे में।
सभी को मेरा नमस्कार। और आज मेरे लिए बड़ा खास दिन है कि भोपाल लिटरेचर फेस्टिवल में मेरी बुक ओवर थिंकिंग से आज़ादी लॉन्च हो रही है। तो सबसे पहले मैं आयोजकों और जो भी लोग यहाँ बैठे हैं उन सबको दिल से धन्यवाद देता हूँ। पिछले 12 साल से मैं भोपाल में प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ और लगभग 60 से 70% लोगों ने की जो प्राइमरी कंप्लेंट थी कि सर मेरा दिमाग बहुत ज़्यादा चलता रहता है, मुझे अपने थॉट पर कंट्रोल नहीं होता। और कुछ लोग उनमें से ऐसे थे जो 3, 4 साल, 5 साल के बाद हेल्प लेने के लिए आगे आए। उन लोगों को समझते हुए मुझे ऐसा लगा कि आम जन की भाषा में जिस भाषा को वो समझ सकें उस भाषा में मैंने अपने केस स्टडीज इसमें दिए हुए हैं, जहाँ पर अलग अलग ढंग से प्रेजेंट हुआ। बिकॉज ओवर थिंकिंग कई बार सामाजिक आर्थिक पहलुओं की वजह से हो सकती है और कई बार गंभीर मानसिक रोगों का एक लक्षण भी हो सकती है। तो ये बुक एक आपके लिए गाइड का काम करेगी कि कहाँ पर मुझे क्या स्टेप लेना है। इस बुक में ये भी बताया गया है कि हमें साइकेट्रिस्ट से कब मिलना है, साइकोलॉजी से कब मिलना है, धर्म की क्या भूमिका है, आध्यात्म की क्या भूमिका है, फैमिली सपोर्ट की क्या भूमिका है, और वो भी आम बोलचाल की भाषा में लिखी गई है। तो मुझे लगता है ये बुक आप सबके काम आएगी। तो आप या आपका कोई परिजन अगर ओवर थिंकिंग की समस्या से जूझ रहा है तो मेरा आपसे विनम्र अनुरोध है कि ज़रूर इस किताब को पढ़ें। थैंक यू।
धन्यवाद। थैंक यू त्रिवेदी जी। आगे बढ़ते हैं। नेक्स्ट वी हैव आग में उड़ान बाय लेट राम मेश्रम जी। देवर सज्जनों, बड़े दुख के साथ मैं आपको सूचित करना चाहता हूं कि कुछ दिन पहले राम मेश्रम जी हमारे बीच नहीं रहे, पर देखिए क्या बात है कि जो लेखक हमारे बीच नहीं है उनके शब्द हमारे बीच हैं और उनके शब्द उनके किताब के माध्यम से सांसें ले रहे हैं। तो मैं बड़े ही आदर और सम्मान के साथ मैं उनके सुपुत्र गौरव मेश्रम जी को स्टेज पे बुलाना चाहूँगा और चाहूँगा उनकी किताब का विमोचन हम इस मंच पे करें जिसका टाइटल है आग में उड़ान। गौरव जी अगर हमारे बीच हैं तो वो आएँ और हम तालियों से उनका अभिवादन करेंगे। मैं बताना चाहूँगा श्री राम मेश्रम जी भारत के हिंदी गजल के 10 शीर्ष गजलकारों में से एक थे। उनका काम उत्कृष्ट था और वो इस किताब में आप देख पाएंगे।
आग में उड़ान नामक किताब का विमोचन आपके सामने।
जी हाँ, इस किताब में आपको गजलों के बारे में पढ़ने के लिए मिलेगा। गजलों के साथ साथ गहरा बोध और चिंतन पे ये किताब केंद्रित है। मैं चाहूंगा गौरव जी इस मंच पे आके 2 शब्द हमारे बीच साझा करें। ओके, नो वरीज। प्लीज तालियां होनी चाहिए गौरव जी के लिए एंड राम मेश्रम जी के लिए। हम उन्हें इस किताब के माध्यम से याद कर रहे हैं और सदा याद करते रहेंगे।
The next book to be launched is Dynamic Habits by Rashmi Bhargav. Ms. Bhargav is a corporate HR head turned entrepreneur and the CEO of De Novo Group, one of the largest HR consulting firms in central India. She's also a leadership, lifestyle and happiness coach. She's won multiple awards and I would now request Ms. Bhargav to grace the stage as our guests of honor unveil and launch her book, Dynamic Habits.
शी इज ऑल्सो हैप्पीनेस एंड लाइफस्टाइल कोच और वो उनके चेहरे से दिख ही रहा है। मैं चाहूंगा उस मंच पे जब तक मंच पे ना आए तालियां होती रहनी चाहिए प्लीज एवरीबॉडी प्लीज। रश्मि भार्गव जी एंड द बुक बाय हर टाइटल्ड एज डायनामिक हैबिट्स।
This book talks about success, reality, happiness and freedom in life. And Ms. Bhargav will soon join us to give us a better glimpse into the book.
There it is. Ribbon खोल दीजिए। Thank you so much everybody. मैं चाहूंगा रश्मि जी इस डाइस पे आए और अपनी किताब डायनेमिक हैबिट्स के बारे में 2 शब्द हमारे साथ साझा करें। जी, ऑन टू द डाइस प्लीज।
Actually, I wasn't very sure whether I had to speak or not, so I just put down some points. My book, Dynamic Habits, speaks about little change tricks to create a perfect life. Is it possible? But we can still make some efforts. I'm focusing on life's purpose, challenging your beliefs, creating boundaries, embracing failure, and finally attaining happiness. This book teaches you how to have more freedom and fun through habits and systems, through beautiful stories and questioning yourself. I have lots and lots of questions in the book. And yes, it is an interesting read for all age groups. The book says that overall happiness levels may not oscillate dramatically. Happiness tends to follow some patterns over the lifespan. By following these small steps, which I've mentioned in the book, various aspects of life may provide greater satisfaction and meaning as we progress through childhood, adolescence, adulthood, and old age. By following these little changes, tricks, and good habits, you can develop an abundance mindset and attract more abundance into your life. Yes, I wish you all a life full of action and accomplishment. Happy reading my book. And thank you the distinguished people on the panel. And of course, all the audience. I want your wishes.
Definitely, I believe you have our wishes already. Thank you so much, Rashmi ji. Next, last but not the least, we have Insolence by Arya शुक्ला। आर्या शुक्ला जी, ओ यहीं से, ओके प्लीज, यस प्लीज आइए स्टेज पे। मैं वहां ढूंढ रहा था। Insolence and Other Poems is a collection from the heart, from fond nostalgia, looking back on a childhood long past to an adulthood not yet claimed but impending. She says there is a poem for everyone. Arya ji is a poet, translator and researcher. There it is, the book Insolence. Great. मैं चाहूंगा आर्य जी इस मंच पे आए और 2 शब्द हमारे साथ शेयर करें। She is also a researcher. Her interests are post-coloniality, gender and translation, and she specializes in language of the Gangetic Belt. मैं चाहूंगा प्लीज आप इस डायस पे आए और हम तालियों से उनका स्वागत करेंगे प्लीज।
Hello everybody, my name is Arya and I'd like to thank everyone who made this happen. So I think in order of most importance, I guess I'd like to thank Mr. Vikas Rakheja first, because without his support and without his vision, I would not be here and this book would not be in front of you. And then I'd like to thank my parents and my sister who have been undying bastions of support for me. I think I'm not really good at marketing. But if I were to say something about my book, I'd say it's a note to girlhood and it's a note to growing up, and it's about wanting to change and not really knowing how to, and it's about drinking a lot of tea. So if any of that interests you, I hope you check this out. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Well, यहाँ पे लिखा है there is a poem for everyone. She is definitely good at marketing. Jokes apart, let's move ahead.
I would now request Mr. Raghav Chandra to announce the prestigious Sushila Devi Award for BLF 2025.
Happy to announce the Sushila Devi Award for the year 2024, given for a book published by a woman author in the year 2023. We had an eminent jury of Professor Malashri Lal, Dr. Sukrita Paul Kumar, and Professor G.J.Y. Prasad. And I'm happy to announce the name of the person who's here, who's going to receive the award, and I'll request her to come up, Manjula Padmanabhan, for her book, Taxi. The name of the book is Taxi.
I would request Ms. Sukrita Paul Kumar to read the citation of the award being given to Manjula ji.
There it is.
The Sushila Devi Award for 2024. The award carries a cash prize of rupees 2 lakhs. And I would request Sukrita ji to read the citation.
It was given quietly by our director Raghav, so elegantly, quietly given.
I have the great pleasure of reading the citation prepared for this occasion. Congratulations, Manjula. Hearty congratulations. Very happy that it has come to this fruition. I'm going to read the citation that was prepared by the jury. In her novel, Taxi, the name of the novel is Taxi. In her novel, Taxi, Manjula Padmanabhan weaves an unusual story of a woman taxi driver, US educated, independent minded, and a breaker of stereotypes. She finds herself in a tangled situation when asked to dress like a male chauffeur for a wealthy client. This is Padmanabhan's plot twist for highlighting issues of cross-dressing, gendered public spaces, and assumptions about women. Maddie Sain's interior monologues, dry humor, and racy conversations keep the reader turning the pages of this gripping novel, and several contemporary social problems roll out over the bumpy roads that Maddie's taxi travels. An eloquent witness to life in the city, this novel shows brutality as well as tenderness, indifference as well as care. Congratulations, Manjula.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now it's time to announce yet another book award. This is titled as मिस पद्मामिनी जी, मैं आपको इस मंच पे आमंत्रित करना चाहूँगा और आपसे निवेदन करूँगा कि आप दो शब्द हमारे साथ साझा करें.
Thank you everyone for being here, but most especially thank you the BLF for astounding me with this award. I think Raghav Chandra will tell you that when he called to tell me about it, I was so completely taken aback. I was for once lost for words. It is a tremendous privilege and an honor to be given this award, but more than anything else, all authors struggle with this issue of self-promotion and whether, you know, what we write will ever be read by anybody except the two people who regularly read our work. It is an extraordinary experience when it finally, or once for once, actually reaches out and touches somebody. And I also want to say, because of this award, I've been allowed to come to this wonderful city. It is a great honor to come to a city in the heartland of India and to find it so full of life, so full of art. We could. I hope to take this idea, this message, which of course we should all know. We should know it anyway. But I expect to be writing about my stay here and to say how much I have enjoyed my time here. Thank you so much again.
Sure. Thank you so much, ma'am. Next, we move on to the next award. This is titled as Gyan Prasarak Puraskar, and this award goes to Mr. Suresh Wadhwa of the Variety Book. And I would request Brigadier Sanjay Agrawal ji to please come to the dais and read out the citation. I would be requesting Mr. Brigadier Sanjay Agrawal ji to come here and to present the citation. Gyan Prasarak Puraskar, everybody, goes to Suresh Wadhwa ji of Variety Bookstore. Taaliyan honi chahiye, please.
Ladies and gentlemen, lovely audience from Bhopal, I read out the citation of the 2025 Gyan Prasarak Puraskar. Bhopal Literature and Art Festival, which we know as BLF, is happy to announce that the 2025 Gyan Prasarak Puraskar is being given to Variety Book House, Bhopal.
for their consistent efforts towards making national and international titles available to book lovers. In 1965, the visionary Shri R.P. Wadhwa set the stage for a literary revolution by opening bookshops under the A.H. Wheeler and Company. Remember your railway stations? Yes. At the Bhopal railway station here, catering to a modest yet passionate readership. These shops laid the groundwork for what would later evolve into a beloved hub for book enthusiasts. In 1980, Sri Satyapal Wadhwa, along with Mr. Suresh Wadhwa, founded Variety Book House, VBH, quickly becoming a haven for readers. Known for its wide range of books, including the latest releases on launch days, VBH made a mark by pioneering the inclusion of magazines along with books and setting industry trends. VBH's commitment to fostering literary culture reached new heights in 1991 when its first book fair in MP Nagar, Bhopal, the event inaugurated by Chief Minister Shri Digvijay Singh, became a landmark in promoting books and reading in the city of Bhopal. Over the years, VBH expanded its range to include greeting cards, games and stationery, attracting not just book lovers, but tourists and enthusiasts from all walks of life. The store has hosted prominent figures such as Gulzar, Sudha Murthy, Manishankar Iyer, Om Puri, Shiv Khera, Dominique Lapierre, and even film stars like Akshay Khanna. Today, VBH continues its mission to inspire and nurture a love for reading, staying true to its origins and remaining a cherished part of our community. In recognition of selfless service to the world of literature, the Gyan Prasarak Puruskar 2025 goes to Variety Book House, Bhopal.
जी हाँ, दिलकश तालियां सुरेश वाधवा जी के लिए। हम सब कभी न कभी वहां तो गए होंगे और इस पुरस्कार, इस सम्मान के पीछे भावना ये है कि जो किताबों का महोत्सव होता है वो किताबों के बिना अधूरा है। किताबें छपती हैं और आप तक आती हैं बुक स्टोर के माध्यम से, और BLF धन्यवाद देता है वैरायटी बुक हाउस को। BLF ये पहचानता है क्या अहमियत होती है बुक स्टोर्स की, खास करके लिटरेचर लवर्स के लिए। मैं सुरेश वाधवा जी से निवेदन करूंगा कि इस डाइस पे आएं और दो शब्द हमारी ऑडियंस के साथ साझा करें। तालियां होनी चाहिए प्लीज उनके सवाल के लिए, बधाइयां और तालियां।
I thank you to all the chief guests, the BLF organizers who made me possible, and all the readers and the customers who make us possible to continue the shop. Thank you. Thank you all.
धन्यवाद सुरेश जी। आगे बढ़ते हैं और जो अगला अवार्ड है,
Our next award is Vimal Kapuria Memorial Award for Literature, Arts and Culture, which is being given to one of the beloved English professors of Bhopal, the president of Club Literati. Any guesses? Dr. Seema Raizada, can we have you on the stage, ma'am? The Vimal Kapuria Memorial Award for Literature, Arts and Culture.
सीमा मैम अपनी फैन फॉलोइंग लेके आती हैं, उनका प्रेजेंस ही ऐसा है।
So we are here from Kapuria family, and I'm so proud and delighted to share with you that who is Vimal Kapuria. ज्ञान की साधना, भाषा के प्रति प्रेम और कथावाचन की शक्ति को समर्पित एक विलक्षण जीवन में सम्मान सहित हमें विमल कपूरिया स्मृति सम्मान की स्थापना करते हुए अत्यंत गर्व की अनुभूति हो रही है। ये पहला पुरस्कार है हमारी तरफ से, जिसमें सम्मान पत्र के साथ में एक 21,000 का कैश प्राइज भी प्रतिवर्ष दिया जाएगा। यह पुरस्कार स्वर्गीय श्रीमती विमल कपूरिया के नाम पर समर्पित है, जो एक प्रख्यात विद्वान, इतिहास की प्राध्यापिका, अंग्रेजी और उर्दू साहित्य की गहरी प्रेमी थी। 17 फरवरी 1936 को जम्मू में जन्मी उन्होंने अपने जीवन को शिक्षा और अध्यापन के लिए समर्पित किया तथा MLB, हमीदिया और नूतन कॉलेज जैसे प्रतिष्ठित संस्थानों में शिक्षण कार्य किया। प्रत्येक वर्ष विमल कपूरिया स्मृति सम्मान उस व्यक्ति या संस्था को समर्पित किया जाएगा जिसने इन क्षेत्रों में असाधारण कार्य किया हो और उनके विचारों और ज्ञान की विरासत को आगे बढ़ाया हो। इस सम्मान में नगद पुरस्कार, अभिनंदन पत्र और इस क्षेत्र में कार्य करने वालों को प्रोत्साहन और मान्यता प्रदान की जाएगी। So thank you so very much for joining us for the launch of this very first, our own Bhopal's award. And I invite Seema ma'am to share a few words, please.
A lot of gratitude to Vimla Kapuria family, and gratitude to Bhopal Literature Festival, Mr. Chandra, and all of you who are here. Privileged to be honored on this platform, and at the same time, we all know how much Bhopal Literature Festival is contributing to the quality of literature and art. I mean, the kind of interest that is slowly and gradually, building up. So, thanks to be part of this knowledge comb in the first place. Did a session with Kishwarji this evening. And yes, with this honor does come this, this promise, which I can make on behalf of Club Literati. The members, so many of the members sitting here, love you all. You are the ones, actually taking this award on your behalf. And we value your presence, and we hope to bring in more enthusiasm and people around us to contribute and make literature, occupy a very important place in our life. It actually is, but thank you very much, and we are glad. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Seema ji. So meanwhile the festival was going on, there was also a murder mystery going on. Yes, बहुत सारे students, volunteers और बहुत सारे लोगों ने उसमें part लिया. Finally, the mystery has been solved. It was, the prizes are going to be for solving the Begum's missing jewels murder mystery. And I'm glad to announce the name of the winners. They are Asha Kirkutta, Amrita Tirke, and Suman Topo. All the three winners belong to the Bhopal School of Social Sciences.
Please come on the stage, the winners. Asha, Amrita and Suman.
Yes.
It's quite a mystery how all the three winners are from BSS.
Absolutely. Somehow I don't doubt it because I am an alumni of the same college. Always smart minds there. And it seems they were the only ones to look at the very obvious facts. Everybody else succumbed to a bit of overthinking, complex thinking, but they were able to point out the obvious, very obvious.
Ladies and gentlemen, this was the first time that we had organized a murder mystery like this and solving the murder mystery. And the three ladies did an excellent job in discovering the clues.
Wonderful, wonderful feeling to have had a treasure hunt. अगर आपने फेस्टिवल के दौरान किसी को भी बहुत जोर से आते जाते भागते हुए देखा होगा तो यही थे जी. Thank you so much. A round of applause for them, everybody.
I would now request our guest of honor, Ambassador Lakshmi Puri to speak to the audience and deliver her address.
Well, I'm overwhelmed being here for the first time at this Bhopal Literature Festival. As I mentioned, those of you who were not in my session earlier, it's a very emotional moment for me coming to Bhopal, the capital of Madhya Pradesh, which in so many ways is my ancestral home. So as my grandfather came from Ratnagiri, my Nanaji came from Ratnagiri, and then about 100 years ago, more than 100 years ago, settled in Guna. He founded many villages there, and Desai Kheda, which still exists in Guna, was one of his, pioneering, as I call it in my novel, Swallowing the Sun. It was his pioneering empire, of righteous empire. So, and then my Mausi was married into a family in Gwalior, which also figures in my novel. So, and my mother went as a 10-year-old to Ahilya Ashram in Indore, which was then an orphanage cum boarding school. And she was sent there by her father because he wanted, after his wife's death, he wanted his girls to be educated, not thrown into child marriage. So, I mean, that is the great connection with Madhya Pradesh. And over the years, I have been going for holidays to Gwalior and elsewhere, but I have yet to visit Bhopal. I'm sure we have relatives here, but in any case, आज एक नया रिश्ता बन गया है आप लोगों के साथ, सबके साथ. और जैसे मैंने पहले भी कहा था, ये मध्य प्रदेश जो है और भोपाल उसकी राजधानी है, वो हमारे भारत का दिल है, और वो मेरे दिल में भी बसा हुआ है. So I would like to, of course, moving away from my personal, how thrilled I am being here and participating in this with my first offering, literary offering, which has so much of Madhya Pradesh in it. I want to congratulate Raghav Chandra ji and the entire team of Bhopal Literature Festival, all the authors, the great authors who came and who shared their journeys, their visions, their creative expression with all of you. And I think there is no greater expression than writing of your intellectual, emotional, and spiritual feeling. So this is something that you are really contributing. The readers, all those who came for these sessions, I want to thank them, because without them, there is no literature festival. And Rasik ke bagair art nahi hota, और also there is, और साहित्य नहीं होता, पढ़ते नहीं. और फिर I would encourage, of course, the young people. I was so happy to see so many young people came for this. And that's always a very, very positive sign. जैसे कहते हैं कि सूर्य उगता है, वैसे मुझे लग रहा है कि हमारी जो reading habit है, वो भी अब उगती जाएगी, thanks to the literature festivals like these, and to those who attend, and then they become ambassadors of reading. Please become ambassadors of reading, of books, and of all the books that you have been exposed, the ideas you take back from here also take forward, because we are really on our path to becoming, and if we want to become actually really steadfast on our path to India 2047, Viksit Bharat. And that's the dream we take forward, and all of you are contributing. And books, ideas, knowledge, आपने कहा है ना, knowledge कुंभ, तो इसमें हम सब नहा के निकले हैं और पावन होके निकले हैं, और इस पावन अवसर पर मैं आप सबको अपनी शुभेच्छा देती हूँ, और अगले साल भी इसी तरह और ये और भी पनपे ये फेस्टिवल, और let it grow wings, and let us all celebrate the world of literature, the world of ideas, and of noble aspirations. Thank you.
Thank you, Ambassador Lakshmi Puri ji, for urging our audience to become the ambassadors for culture, art and literature.
Absolutely. उनका कहना बहुत Absolutely. उनका कहना बहुत मायनों में सही था कि जितना महत्वपूर्ण ये फेस्टिवल है, ये मंच है, उससे कई मायनों में ज़्यादा महत्वपूर्ण हमारे दर्शक है, हमारी ऑडियंस है, जो लोग साथ में जुड़ते हैं, पढ़ते हैं, समझते हैं। और इसलिए आप सभी का अभिवादन करने के लिए BLF की टीम से मैं अभिलाष खांडेकर जी को इस मंच पे बुलाना चाहूँगा, जो वोट ऑफ थैंक्स प्रेजेंट करेंगे आप सभी के लिए। एंड मैं आपको ये भी बता दूं, दिस इज नॉट द एंड। इसके बाद हम बहुत ही इलेक्ट्रिक राजीव मिश्रा जी को इस मंच पे बुलाएंगे, जो पोइट्री अवार्ड्स और ट्राइबल आर्ट अवार्ड्स के बारे में हमारे यंगस्टर्स और हमारे लोगों को बताएंगे। तो आप कहीं जाइए मत फॉर नाउ, क्योंकि आप सब BLF का हिस्सा बने, और उसके अभिवादन के लिए आपको शुक्रिया अदा करने के लिए आई वुड होल हार्टेडली लाइक टू इनवाइट Mr. Abhilash Khandekar ji on behalf of the Bhopal Literature and Art Festival to the dais to deliver the vote of thanks. Please दिलकश तालियों से हम उनका स्वागत करेंगे।
Thanksgiving is a tough task, because you might leave out somebody who has really done well, and I may have forgotten him or her. So please forgive me for that. There is a long list of those who have supported this event over the period of time. And Thanksgiving is also a little difficult because it indicates a good thing that is coming to an end, that is the Bhopal Literature Festival. So with tears in eye, I am extending all these thanks to my friends and sponsors. I will read out their names. The Madhya Pradesh Culture Department, Madhya Pradesh Tourism Board, Ministry of Tourism, Government of India, the Bharat Bhavan, which is an iconic art institute, Dainik Bhaskar, which has supported us for giving the all coverage of the fest, Shri Ram Life Insurance, they are our sponsors, Coal India Limited, GAIL, Dilip Bilcott Limited, Dilip Suryavanshi, McDonald's, NHDC, Vardhaman, Shri Ratan Foundation, GR Infra, J. Kumar Infra Projects Limited, HPCL Mittal Energy Limited, Chintan Research Foundation, Manjul Publishing House, Mr. Rakeja is here, Oil India, ONGC, Power Guild, Treasuries, SBI and SBI, MB Vineyards, Ratlam, DAGO, Hindustan Copper Limited, LIC, My FM Radios, Wellspun, Jolly Jain, Smart City, Bhopal, Mr. NS Bapna, Mr. Avinash Lavania, Mr. Shiv Shekhar Shukla, Mr. Namdev, who is the Director Culture, Mr. Prem Shekhar Shukla. He has gone out today for a wedding, so he has excused, because otherwise he has lent a lot of support. He is the head of Bharat Bhavan Institution. Mr. Bhatti, Srimati Bhuribai, both Padma Shri Award winners, the staff of Bharat Bhavan trustees who are spread across the country, Bhopal Municipal Corporation, the Bhopal Police Force, various authors who came all the way from their different destinations to Bhopal, society members of the Bhopal Literature Festival that organizes this Lit Fest for the 7th year now. The society is headed by Mr. Raghav Chandra. Give a big hand to Raghav Chandra for his efforts. Mr. Ajay Bhattacharya and those connected with the Tribal Art Fair. Ajay Bhattacharya ji, are you there? Please stand up. Please stand up. You have done a wonderful job for organizing the Tribal Art Fair. Large number of tribal artists. बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ पर आए हैं. सब लोग छत्तीसगढ़ और मध्य प्रदेश से बहुत बढ़िया ये काम इस बार हमने शुरुआत की है. प्रभात तिवारी जी, राजीव मिश्रा जी, नेहा श्रीवास्तव, the anchors Parul Sharma, Siddharth Jain, who is standing next to me, Lisha Thakur, Tanmay Wadia, Paritosh Kumar Dubey, Harshat Lalwani, they are all here. Paritosh, thank you. Design partner, NID director, Dr. Vidya Rakesh, faculty, Dr. Nitika Devgan, Dr. Setu Sharma, Pramod Marshall, and NID team including Ashok Oak, Riyad Shah, Sai Nimkar, Sejal Sanyal, Shruti Behra, Shruti Madhu Karna, Tanisha Paraswan, Janvi Mulchandani, Radhika Rao, and Sandra Prateep. All the volunteers who endlessly worked for the last couple of years to make this event a smooth event. Interns Adish Chaudhary, Shivansh Dadij, Bookshop partner Variety Book House, who has been given the 3rd award for spreading knowledge across Bhopal and other places. Press partners Ravindra Soni, hospitality partners Hotel Jahanuma Palace, Jahanuma Retreat, Taj Lakefront, Hotel Lakeview Ashoka, and Swat Caterers, Bijli Bhavan, Impact Art and Creation, Airport Welcome Team Sanjeev Dubey, Ankit Gaur, Sachin Gaur, Ram Vidya, website and social media team Praveen Dubey of WebClicks and his team including Harshit Tiwari, Nandan Garg, Sanya Mehta, Nitin Patel, Akshat and Janvi Fabiani, photography and live streaming team Deepak Prajapati, Anshul Sandhya, Sandeep Verma, Santosh Verma, Sandeep Baghel, Shanu, Ayush, Kamal and Arpit Basera. Press Mr. Ravindra Soni and the entire press of Bhopal which gave extensive coverage to the 3-day event. Travel partner Progressive Tours and Travels, local logistics Mr. Suresh Tiwari and his wonderful team, CA Surana Associates, accountant Pradeep Kahar and Sanjay Kahar. And of course, you all the people who came here for the last 3 days to make this event wonderful and memorable. I don't have really words to thank you enough for attending this fest and making it an event which has become now a very important event in the cultural calendar and literary calendar of the state of Madhya Pradesh. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
And a big thank you to Abhilash Khandekar ji for his contribution along with all the members of Society for Culture and Environment. देखिए ऐसे वो मौके होते हैं जब हर किसी के पास शब्द कम हो जाते हैं. अब हमारे पास भी ज़्यादा शब्द नहीं है. अब हम जल्द से जल्द कंक्लूजन की तरफ बढ़ेंगे. मैं चाहूँगा कि मैं कंक्लूड करूँ और हम राजीव मिश्रा जी को बुलाएंगे. और जाने से पहले बस आप सभी के चेहरे देख के, आप सभी के अनुभव पढ़कर, आप सभी से बीते 3 दिन मिलकर 2 पंक्तियां मेरे जहन में आती हैं. उन पंक्तियों कह के हम अपनी जगह लेंगे और इस मंच को आदरणीय राजीव मिश्रा जी के हवाले करेंगे. तो 2 पंक्तियां मैं आप सभी के लिए अर्ज करना चाहूँगा. इजाज़त है? इजाज़त है? अर्ज करने पे क्या कहते हैं? अर्ज किया है. उस शहर में कितने चेहरे थे, कुछ याद नहीं सब भूल गए. और ये 2 लाइंस हमारे डायरेक्टर चंद्रा जी और जितने हमारे ऑफिशियल, जितने हमारे गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर्स हैं और जितने हमारे मेहमान यहाँ पे आए हुए हैं दूर सफर तय करके, उनके लिए ही है कि उस शहर में कितने चेहरे थे, कुछ याद नहीं सब भूल गए. एक शख्स किताबों जैसा था, वो मुंह ज़बानी याद हुआ, मुंह ज़बानी याद हुआ. जोरदार तालियां BLF के लिए चाहिए. एंड इसी के साथ मैं राजीव मिश्रा जी के हवाले इस मंच को करना चाहूंगा. राजीव मिश्रा जी के लिए जोरदार तालियां. एन इलेक्ट्रीफाइंग पर्सनालिटी, ओवर टू हिम.
नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल, गुड इवनिंग दोस्तों. ये वो सेगमेंट है जिसे मैं अब एक ब्रांड नेम देने लगा हूं, विच इज तारे जमीन पर. You know, this is truly about Tare Zameen Par. This is the talent, young talent, and which we are building the brand also on. लेकिन उससे पहले हमने एक कोशिश की इस साल पहली बार, चक्रवर्ती साहब को भी आपने देखा, which is about tribal art fair. We are about literature and art. तो हमने ट्राइबल आर्ट फेयर किया. तो लेट मी स्टार्ट विद समथिंग जिसका हमने डेब्यू किया है. उन लोगों को पहले हम प्रोत्साहन देते हैं. लेट्स एनकरेज देम, मोटिवेट देम. तो हमने कैटेगरीज कैसे की. रुक जाओ, बहुत तालियां बजानी है अभी, प्लीज रुक जाओ. Just hold on for a moment. So, उत्कृष्ट कलाकृति प्रदर्शनी, कलाकार पेंटिंग स्पर्धा, इसके वॉलंटियर्स भी हैं ट्राइबल आर्ट के। हमने एसपीए डिजाइनर्स के साथ कुछ लोगो कंपटीशन भी रखा। हमने कुछ स्पेशल प्राइजेस भी दिए हैं। जो डीसीपी हैं इंदौर की, आईपीएस रेनाउंड पिथौरा आर्टिस्ट हैं, उन्होंने आयरन आर्ट, वुड आर्ट, ग्रास आर्ट, बैम्बू आर्ट पे ये सारे उन्होंने अवार्ड्स बनाए हैं। मैं इन सारे लोगों को एक एक करके आपके सामने लाता हूं। प्लीज आपकी तालियां रुकनी नहीं चाहिए। कैन वी हैव रोशनी श्याम, कैन वी हैव तुषार मरावी, यशवंत धुर्वे, और प्लीज इनके लिए रास्ता बनाते जाइएगा प्लीज, और आप लोग जल्दी आइएगा। सो वी हैव यशवंत धुर्वे, वी हैव शिव प्रसाद धुर्वे, वी हैव सुश्री कृति, रोशनी श्याम, वी हैव सुश्री नेमा, प्रतिभा सिंह, नम्रता शुक्ला, श्याम आनंद कुमार, शर्वरी कुंडे, प्रिया शेट्टी, तान्या चौधरी, संतोष सिंह मरावी, दोकल सिंह, हेमंत सिंह, रामबली परसले। प्लीज आपके अगर सर्टिफिकेट्स गलत आ जाए तो एक्सचेंज कर लेना। डोंट वरी अबाउट इट, यू आर गेटिंग द राइट थिंग। प्लीज गो अहेड इन द सीक्वेंस हियर। सो आई रिपीट, रोशनी श्याम, तुषार मरावी, यशवंत धुर्वे, शिव प्रसाद धुर्वे, सुश्री कृति, रोशनी श्याम, once again खुशी नेमा, प्रतिभा सिंह, नम्रता शुक्ला, श्याम आनंद कुमार एंड शर्वरी कुंडे, तान्या चौधरी, प्रिया शेट्टी, संतोष सिंह मरावी, दोकल सिंह, हेमंत सिंह, रामवली परस्ते। आप सब लोग लाइन से आ जाएं आगे, प्लीज आगे बढ़ते हैं। संजय सर, लेट्स मूव देम अहेड एंड विल मेक देम सिट डाउन प्लीज। वी कैन ऑल मेक देम सिट हियर। दे विल हैव अ कॉमन ग्रुप फोटोग्राफ प्लीज।
कंपटीशन विनर श्री संतोष सिंह मरावी, लॉ शिल्प, मैंने आपका देखा तो मुझे याद है। यस, गोकल सिंह, कास्ट शिल्प, हाँ लकड़ी का आपको काम किया था। यस, हेमंत सिंह, हाथ शिल्प, रामवती परस्ते, हाथ शिल्प। बहुत बहुत बधाई हो, बहुत बधाई।
तो वो जय हो का म्यूजिक इनके लिए भी बजा सकते हैं हम लोग। और प्लीज जय हो का म्यूजिक सबके लिए बजाते रहना। थैंक यू दोस्तों। इसके साथ एक अमेजिंग अवार्ड है। एक बच्चा था, बॉम्बे में इंटर्नशिप कर रहा था, और फिर उसके लिए एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है, तो उसको घर में माँ का खाना याद आ गया कि उसने कहा यार एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है माँ के साथ काम करने की, टफ तो है लेकिन अब माँ के हाथ का खाना भी मिलेगा। तो हमारा फैमिली का बच्चा, हमारा अपना आदेश चौधरी, द ओनली इंटर्न दैट वी हैव। आदेश, वेयर एवर यू आर, प्लीज कम हियर। Adesh, please come down. Adesh is a backstage boy also, तो वो backstage से ही आ रहा है, front से नहीं आ रहा है। Big hand for Adesh, please. Big hand for Adesh. And big hand for his proud mom. And father. फेस्टिवल का बहुत अच्छे रिव्यूज आए हैं. आई एम श्योर कुछ बहुत उससे भी अच्छे रिव्यूज हैं कि पूरा लुक एंड फील है. ये पॉसिबल ही नहीं था एक अमेजिंग टैलेंटेड टीम के बगैर. वी हैड स्लीपलेस नाइट्स, I had sleepless nights, and we finally made it work together. Please put your hands together for Team NID, the pretty girls and the pretty minds behind it here. Team NID, 3 cheers for them. Can I have Akshata Oak? Can I have Akshata Oak? Shanti Mulchandani, Radhika Rao, Riya Shah, Sai Nimkar, Sandra Pradeep, Sejal Sanyal, Shruti S. Behra, Shruti Madhuran Kam, Tanisha Faraswan. Please, can I have you on the stage, all of you, and big hand together for all these pretty girls here. Team NID, the visual, the brand and visual identity partner of BLF 2025. थोड़ा धीरे बजाते रहो बैकग्राउंड में, थोड़ा धीरे यार, हम बोल भी लें प्लीज. This is all in alphabetical order. Please put your hands together for these kids, amazing talent of Bhopal. Now we can play the music a little lightly, please. Please, a big hand for Team NID. Put your hands together for Team NID, please. Apart from Team NID, there was another creative team working on the streets of Bhopal, working with auto rickshaw guys, working with thelawalas, working with JCB machine guys. This was a digital content team, and they did a fabulous job creating reels. And you know, Raghav sir had the first interview with these young guys, and we had an amazing time doing his interview. So digital content team, can I please call, starting with her celebrity, our own in-house celebrity, Maithili Jha, can we have you here? Chetna Katayat, can we have you here? Suyasha Pandey, can we have you here? Tiyasha Chakravarti, if you have come, please join us here. Kartikeya Pandey, if you are here, please join us here. Shelly Solanki, please come this side, guys, this side. So I'll repeat the names. Maithili Jha, Chetna Katayat, Suyasha Pandey, Tiyasha Chakravarti, Kartikeya Pandey, Shelly Solanki, Vidhi Deepa Malviya. Vidhi Malviya. Big hand for this digital. दोस्तों आप रील्स देखोगे, इन्होंने जेसीबी पे चढ़कर ऑटो वालों के साथ, चेले वालों के साथ कुछ चोरियां भी दिखाई हैं इन लोगों ने. They have made some amazing reels. This is the team which worked on the streets to make these reels. This is the team which interviewed Raghav sir. We move on to the student contest awards. पहला अवार्ड है हमारा पेंटिंग कॉन्टेस्ट का अवार्ड है. पेंटिंग कॉन्टेस्ट में सबसे पहले मैं अपनी दोनों जूरी को इनवाइट करता हूं, डायना तोमर मैम एंड प्रीति निगम मैम. डायना तोमर मैम is from Avri Public School. Preeti Nigam ma'am is from TSVS, the Sanskar Valley School. Both are juries. Can we have the jury mementos and the gift? Books. G. Absolutely. The books are thanks to Manjul Publishing House, who's our partner. Thank you. Vikas is not here, Neha is here. Thank you very much. Then I call the winners of painting. The school winners are. I would request the jury to please be here. बच्चे दो ही मैम नीचे रख लीजिए या नीचे रख लीजिए. Can I call the school winners? Samiksha, Jatin Maral, Khushi Bhatt, Vaishnavi Singh. These are the school winners that we have from painting contest. Please come quickly to the stage. Jatin Maral, Khushi Bhatt, Vaishnavi Singh. Please come onto the stage. And please hold your paintings while you take the picture. Vaishnavi Singh, Khushi Bhatt, Jatin Maral. Look at these amazing paintings by these school children, guys. I would request the college category to get ready. Mansi Bansore, Harshita Chaurasia. And we have this Nigerian girl who's winning it for the second time, Masara Aslam, also with us here. Please line up, please come here. Manasi Bansore, Harshita Chaurasia, Masara Aslam. Masara, you're there? Yeah, hi. Oh, sorry. I am confused. This is not the same girl here. You're waiting for the first. Masara, my apologies to you. Please come here. Masira. I'm sorry. Show your paintings to the jury. Show your paintings. Can we have a quick photograph and then we move on to the next category, which is the storytelling category. So again we have school, and when I say school, these are classes 9 to 12 only. कक्षा 9 से 12 सिर्फ उसकी कैटेगरी है ये, और कॉलेज में यूजी पीजी स्टूडेंट्स दोनों कंसिडर करते हैं. Thank you everyone. एक बार जोर से तालियां और हो जाएं. तो मैं स्टोरी टेलिंग के लिए सबसे पहले हमारी जूरी को बुलाना चाहूंगा. ये एक भोपाल का डायनामाइट कपल है जो थिएटर का जाना माना नाम है, गुरु है, मेंटर है, बड़े बड़ों की क्लासेस लगाते हैं, उनको आज भी थिएटर सिखाते हैं, पर वो आज अकेले आए हैं. अपनी बीवी को पता नहीं क्यों साथ नहीं लाए, जबकि मैं उन्हें बहुत जोर से बुला रहा था. मनोज सर, कैन वी हैव यू हियर? वी विल हैव टू रिसीव बोथ द अवार्ड्स मेमेंटो फॉर स्मिता मैम आल्सो. For you and Smita ma'am. Sir, we'll give you Smita ma'ams also later, please. Yeah. So while we move on to the category of students who have won, let me move to the school category. We have Samiksha Beria, Lavanya Nagdeve, and Nishta Agarwal. Can we have the school category of these winners of storytelling? Please, jaldi se. go in the same order. Samiksha Beria, Lavanya Nagdeve and Nishna Agarwal. Lavanya. Please move ahead. Please move ahead. I move on to the college category. We have Pahal Tiwari, Swarna Tiwari and Anubhav. We have Pahal, Swarna and Anubhav. Will you please come to the stage? Swarna has been winning awards consistently at BLF, either in story or poetry. She's got this talent which is amazing. Swarna Tiwari, please go. All the college guys also, please join the group. This is the storytelling team. Please play. Please put your hands together for them. I'm moving to the poetry category. We have the poetry contest also, you know. For 1 month, they get to write a poetry. Hindi और English में दोनों में लिख सकते हैं. इस बार 3 विषय थे. Follow traffic rules. Traffic नियमों का पालन करें. लड़कों को सिखाएं लड़कियों की रक्षा करना. Teach boys to respect girls was the other topic. And then we had developed India by 2047. विकसित भारत 2047 तक. इन 3 टॉपिक्स के ऊपर हमारे विनर्स हैं अलग अलग कैटेगरीज के. Let me start with Hindi. The Hindi school category, I'm reading out the names here. Please come here onto the stage. Hindi poetry writing. Before I do that, my apologies here. I have to invite the jury here. Can I have Prachiti Garge ma'am, the head of the Department of English, our English jury from Sagar Public School, Rohit Nagar, and we have Nivedita Tiwari ma'am from Aziz Premji University. Can I have both the juries on the stage, please? Please put your hands together for the jury. This side. And then I move on to the Hindi category. Students with all the subjects here. Can I have Raghav Saran, Bhavya Pasari, Prerna Ratlani, Riddhi Saxena, Arna Gupta. Please come in that order. And I would request the jury to be on the stage, please. Raghav Saran, Bhavya Pasari, Prerna Ratlani, Riddhi Saxena, Arna Gupta. In the same order, Rishit Mendiratta, Anirudh Sahu, Tanishka Lalwani, Nishita Khubchandani. Can we have all you onto the stage here, please? Just go into that order. In these BLF kit bags for the storytelling and poetry guys, we also have some books there again. मैंने अभी So there is also the college list which is here. Puneet Suryavanshi, Sara Khan, Khushi Khare, Madiha Hafiz, Pushpendra Bansal, Shreya Joshi, Ashutosh Tripathi, Anita Kudmi and Manas Dubey. Please, the college kids also join together. The school kids here. This is all the Hindi talent poetry writing contest winners. All Hindi. तो वो सर अच्छा आप अभी बैठ जाओ सर्टिफिकेट आप लोग बैठो हिंदी वाले बच्चे सारे ओके गाइस एक बार थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन हो गया कुछ सर्टिफिकेट मिक्स हो गया आई एम सो सॉरी अबाउट दैट माय अपॉलॉजीज पर इन बच्चों के लिए तालियां बजा दीजिए प्लीज जोर से स्कूल कॉलेज हिंदी कैटेगरी स्कूल कॉलेज हिंदी कैटेगरी I would request the jury to remain on the stage. We are coming to the English category. Alright, can we have the English kids here now? Thank you very much. Please put your hands together for the Hindi guys. For the Hindi winners. English category, Aditya Siddhartha, Sanvi Gairola, Vania Alam, Aryan Sani, Hashim Khan, Zainab Khan, Aditi Tiwari, Kritan Kumar Dhanna, Shilin Shekhar, Anushka Raj, Rath, Dharya Jain, Zubia Khan, Malvika Dubey, Megha Chattopadhyay, Soumya Verma, Abhyuday Priyadarshini, Anshadip Singh Babra, Paridhi Ramtani. You just go. We'll give you the certificate. You just go with the bag right now. Make sure distribute to everybody. Ask the name and give it to them. Sorry about the chaos. There's a little confusion here. Sorry about that. So these are cash prizes and certificates. These are cash prizes and certificates for the kids who have won the poetry writing contest, which ran from 14 December to 14 January, and then the jury did the results. We got the results on 26 January. Are all the English kids here? Anybody missing? All the English kids here? Anybody missing? Please hold your certificates in the front. Let's do a photograph here. Aditya Srivastav is there. Is Aditya Srivastav there? Megha Chattopadhyay is there. Megha is there. Aditya Siddhartha, Megha Chattopadhyay. नहीं, ऑल राइट। Today, Siddharth, Aditya Siddhartha is there, no? Aditya Siddhartha, you didn't get the certificate. बच्चे देखिए ना प्लीज। Who else is there? Thank you very much. Thank you very much, everyone. None of these programs would be successful without some amazing anchors. None of these programs would bring, the life would come alive without anchors. So may I please call upon stage my anchor team: Paritosh Dubey, Harshita Lalwani, Lisha Thakur, Janvi, Parul Sharma, and the voice of Bhopal, Siddharth Jain. Can we have all the anchors onto the stage, please? Let's move. अभी रुक जाइएगा हो रहा है अभी। मैं करता हूँ PCCF छत्तीसगढ़। अरे मैं रुक जा, ऐसे नहीं जा सकता, ये हाथ से थोड़ी हो। हाँ ठीक है। क्या नाम है उनका? उनका क्या नाम है? उनका क्या नाम है? Okay. Wait करिए उनको, मैं कर रहा हूँ। I'm doing it. I'm doing it. On the job. So we have PCCF Chhattisgarh, Sudhir Agrawal ji. After the anchors, we have. Thank you. Love you all the guys. बैठिए सर, 1 मिनट रुक जाए। सुधीर सर 1 मिनट, my apology, 1 मिनट रुक जाएगा, 1 मिनट रुक जाएगा। Abhilash sir, you're the anchor leader. I'm sorry, we need to have Neha Srivastava here. I'm completely sorry. Neha Srivastava, the anchor team leader here, who got all organized with all this. Neha, I made the correction. I'm sorry, Neha. I'm sorry. Neha is the one who kind of trained, mentored all these anchors here. They're like, yes. Then we have PCCF Sudhir Agrawal, PCCF Chhattisgarh Sudhir Agrawal ji, who wants to gift a painting to Raghav sir and Abhilash sir. We have PCCF Chhattisgarh, who wants to present a painting to Raghav sir and Abhilash Kandekar ji. I would request Team NID to remain there. We need to click a photograph together. I won't get a better photograph with you all guys dressed up like this, So this is my moment. Please be there. अच्छा हो गया। दोस्तों ये बहुत सारे लोग जो चले गए, ये बच्चे थे जिन्होंने अवार्ड जीते थे, बट This is the team which is the BLF won't be complete without its team of volunteers. बिना volunteer team के ये festival पूरा हो ही नहीं सकता. तो इस टीम में कुछ बच्चे थे जो अक्टूबर नवंबर से काम कर रहे हैं. Let me call out their names first. कार्तिकेय पांडे, माही अग्रवाल, रैनी सोनी, शालू सिंह, शैली सोलंकी, विधिदीप मालवीय, पुस्तक कौर. Please guys, get on the stage here. And you don't have the certificate, don't worry about it. Carry anybody's. कोई बात नहीं, we just need a photo. So one second. Plus, just give me 2 minutes. This is the first team. This team was enrolled in the month of late October, early November, and they have been working relentlessly on the program, new ideas, how we put this together. They have helped put a lot of new good ideas. This wristband included. Thank you. Then we have this amazing team from NIFT Bhopal. For the first time, National Institute of Fashion Technology is participating here. Ananya Rajan, Charvi Vyas. We have Arushi, Jabjot Chavla, Kashish Parikh, Kushi Balwara, Nivedita Gade, Pavni Mishra, Pranjali Vadi, Rishabh Das. All of you, the NIFT team, please come onto this stage. We'll give you the certificates. Don't worry. NIFT team onto the stage. Rishabh Das, Rishita Baldota, Rushika Parwani, Sakshi Tiwari, Tanvi Dubade. Please, the NIFT team onto the stage. Guys, these kids live 30 kilometers away from here. They travel in a bus. They come at 10 o'clock. They leave at 9 o'clock. We have made sure that, the mess is available after 10 so that they can go back and get food. Those are the arrangements which have been done for these kids here. 3 cheers for NIFT, please. This is the strength of BLF. These are the kids which is the strength of BLF. We have another amazing institute coming up, the Indian Institute of Forest Management, IIFM. We have volunteers from there. Can we have Aryan Paigwar, Divya Solanke, Garima Giri, Prerna Mahole, Prerna Singh, Puneet Singh Farte, Radha Krishna Jha, Rana Siddhant Singh, Shivam Maurya, the entire IIFM team, please be here. Yusuf Said, the captain, all of you. And please follow Sanjay sir's instruction while sitting. Guys, 3 cheers for Indian Institute of Forest Management here. Everyone, and every guys cheer for them also, yaar. We started a program to get even school kids in as volunteers to train them. Again, class 9 to 12 only. It has become so hit that वो स्कूल में बच्चे लड़ रहे हैं कि हमें भी जाना है, हम एग्जाम बाद में ले लेंगे. 3 schools ने अपने एग्जाम इंटरनल पोस्टपोन किए हैं to be done after BLF is conducted. I'm thankful to those schools and they have come here. Sagar Public School, Gandhinagar, Aditya Saxena, Ekam Singh, Simrat, Prithvi Kaushal, Shubh Verma, Sagar Public School, Katara Extension, Kavya, Meenal, Nishi, Pari, Sanchita, Kavya, Sagar Public School, Rohit Nagar, Anshika, Ira, Nishtha, and Tanishka. These are all school kids from class 9 to 12, mostly class 11. The last but the most important awards in the volunteer category is for the IT team, which gets only, the galis largely, but they work relentlessly to get the technology going. Sometimes the capacity expires, sometimes the network is not good. Can we have the IT team here? Nandini Garg, Sanya Mehta, Harshit Tiwari, Akshat Ramani, Nitin Patel, Janvi, can we have all of you here? The IT team, please run in. Please guys, give a big hand to our IT team. It wouldn't have been possible. The registration wouldn't have been possible without them. I have to get Shivansh here, who's been relentlessly working, and with me and Sulakshna also, he's been the buffer to reach Raghav sir at times, Shivansh, please be here on the stage. Thank you very much, everyone. It's been a pleasure. Thank you, all the dignitaries. It's been a long award ceremony, but thank you for being there and awarding these students. Thank you so much. Love you all. God bless you all. See you in 2026.
And before we leave, 3 cheers for 2 people who have made this extraordinary. Rajiv Mishra. And the coordinator for the Tribal Art Fair, Ajoy Bhattacharya. And finally, the coordinator of the Bhopal Literature and Art Festival, who takes care of all the little arrangements while people like me gallivant about from hall to hall, while she shuts herself in the library with her little dedicated team and coordinates everything, and the work starts several months before. Sulakshna. Anyone have left? Anyone left? Okay, so now we have to go.
Yeah, I think one person left. Who do you think is that? Give him a big clap.
चलो कंट्रोल रूम